Hello, what's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question. And the question is: how to short Bitcoin on Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, and Kraken? Well, for your information, all of these softwares have similar way to do the short, do the shorting Bitcoin and stuff. So I will explain it in general, okay? You can implement it by yourself in your application. Well, here's step by step. Here's the explanation for you. Shorting Bitcoin involves betting that the price will go down, which is done through margin or futures trading on these major platforms. On Binance and Kraken, you move funds into a margin wallet to borrow Bitcoin, sell it at the current price, and aim to buy it back cheaper later. Coinbase and Robinhood offer a more streamlined approach through futures or options contracts rather than direct margin borrowing. Regardless of the platform, shorting is considered an advanced strategy that requires a funded account and a clear understanding on how leverage can amplify your potential losses. So that is the explanation for that answer.